So all the chassis cut out. Left some grizzly bits here and there, but what I'm doing, I'm concentrating on just getting the new sections in first. I'm going to build up a sub-assembly. So the original rear monocoque chassis would have stopped here, would have gone right through, and I'm going to link it up to the front subframe. So that'll tie it all in nicely, but I shall build it all first and get it in and put my crossbars in and everything I need, shock mounts, stuff like that. Just really stiffen it up at the back. Here's the old chassis that I cut out. I'll be reusing the bush mounts, put them in the overlap. I should be putting them back. I'll cut them out and reuse those. Well, that was handy, that coming out that easy. This is how far I got. This is the 2 sections I'm building. There's a bit of 40 by 80 box, 3mm wall thickness, and I might gusset everything as well for a bit of added strength, but that's as far I've got, so that's where we are with that. I've welded the cutout sections back in to strengthen it all up. I think I'm going to gusset every bend anyway for extra strength. I've left these for now because I've still got adjustments to do when I put them in the car. I've got to bend them out and then bend that one back in. But yeah, looking good. Filled these little joggles in. Looking good. So we'll try them on the car in a bit. I've just got to cut the floor pans out. I'm going to slot them in, and we'll try them in there. So I need 760 the outside of those of the rails. Straighten it up a bit, it's a bit wonky. Get that back squared up. The chassis is looking good. Got the rear section on, level it all up. Just got it all centered. So that's the 2 legs in, right through in the floor pan. I'm going to tie it up. I'm going to put 2 bolts through there and weld a plate on the top that will hook up onto the mount as well. So I've got the axle all mocked up now. The poly bush is in the front. I'm happy with where everything sits, so I can blank all these in now and finish them off and put some gussets in. I'm not using these original front cups. I'm going to do away with these went in here. This will be the other side. they went in there like that. The old that have ran on the old chassis. I could put them there, but I'm not going to use those. Going to fabricate some better ones out of this. So they're going there like that. What I'll do, I'll just put it there a sec. That's sitting better. So like that. So the issue I might have is getting the bolts in. I'm going to have to scallop a bit out of here, I think. Should be alright. But yeah, it's lining up nicely. A tiny bit out there. I've fabbed up some new front leaf spring hangers. I didn't want to use these old ones because they're not very nice and don't serve. So I bought some box and made these nice hangers. So I'm going to get just some tube I put in the back. Let's go and have a look.
Seems hard. Just book a nice hotel on hotels.com. You leave again the walking to stay virtually anywhere.
Those are the brackets in there. I'll get them all welded up and tacked in a minute. Got a bar going right through the chassis. That's going to mount and stick to the body as well as it all being welded in. But let's lower the ramp down, see how it works. Chassis coming along nicely. Still got some work to do on it. The front leaf spring hangers are on. Just got to drill the hole. I've got to get it in the car and get the weight on it to find out where the rear leaf spring hanger's got to go. So that's that, and some more welding. Got some support brackets put on, but yeah, I'm pleased with that. Box these in. I've got a couple. I've got to make another one of these. This is a should be a bracket, and it should tie in to the front subframe. So that'll be welded on this somewhere, and the subframe bolt will go through there that'll mount into the subframe to tie that to the front subframe. But I've got to make another one of those. But yeah, it's looking good. Pleased with that. I'll gusset these tight ends, so I shall gusset that all round. So all the floor pan and all this horrible metalwork's all coming out, and we'll replace all of that. Some big chunky brackets welding onto the main body, and that chassis running right through there. So the chassis is in now. Just got to strengthen it all up around these leaf spring hangers at the front, and then tie it all in. To the back end.